Hey everyone, Chris at Lamin-x, and today with our project Ford Raptor, we're going to talk about protecting one area of the vehicle that does take a lot of wear and tear, which is in the door cup handle area. Inevitably, what will happen is as you're getting in and out of the vehicle, your fingernails will scuff and scratch the paint, or even worse, you have a ring or keys that will get in there and scrape up the paint as you're trying to open up the door. So what we do is we have a paint protection film that actually heats it back and applies directly onto that area underneath on the paint. It's a protective film, like an invisible layer of skin that has a high tensile strength and is designed to take the abuse of wear and tear, of scuffing and scraping. And the advantage also too is that it's self-healing. So if you do get some scuffs and scrapes, it would actually heal up over time and heat. You know, we have this available, and it's easy installation. It's pre-cut for nearly any make and model. Just go to our website, select your year, make, and model, and door cup as a product type. And it comes with the pre-cut exactly for the vehicle. And when you receive it, you can easily do the installation by yourself. The product is a paint protection film, is 100% made in USA, comes with a 5-year guarantee, and is low maintenance. You just wash and wax it when you wash and wax the car. But I'm going to show you how to do an installation on this today. To start, the key is to make sure this area is actually clean from any dirt and debris. So we're just going to take a nice gentle cleaner and actually just kind of clean it up. Make sure any dust, dirt, debris are completely removed from this area, because we don't want anything on this area, because otherwise it'll get trapped up underneath the adhesive once you install it. So I'm just going to wipe it nice and clean thoroughly, make sure all that dust is completely removed. And then, in your pre-cut kit, when you receive it, you're going to receive a spray bottle. Just fill it up with some filtered or distilled water, and you're just going to spray on the area underneath the handle. And it's just going to have some water droplets and moisture pockets in there. It's not going to be so much that it's dripping, but just have some nice small water droplets on it, but it's completely saturated. And then you're going to take the Lamin-x, and you're going to separate it from the liner. Moist your fingers first, so they're nice and wet. So as you peel the Lamin-x up from the liner, your fingerprints aren't marring the adhesive. And as you pull the liner off of the Lamin-x, you can spray the backside of the adhesive too, to give it a nice lubrication layer. So if it folds onto itself, you're able to actually, separate it. So what we're going to do then is we're just going to slide it up underneath the door handle and kind of just get the proper positioning of it and line it up perfectly. In this case, this kind of goes exactly right in the center, and it goes from top to bottom. So really, I'm going to just use my fingers. I'm not going to use a squeegee or anything like that. I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to do a nice firm pressure, starting in the center, and I'm just going to go sweeping side-by-side motion, working my way up, and I'm just pushing that moisture out from underneath the Lamin-x. And I'm just trying to be as thorough as possible. Make sure I'll get all those air pockets, air bubbles, and water removed out from underneath there. And here's the thing, if you actually got to miss a line or you missed an air pocket or air bubble, no problem. Just pull the Lamin-x back up. And then just remist the area again with your spray bottle. And we're just going to reposition it again. And you can do this numerous times upon initial installation. Again, I'm just going to do my sweeping motion, pushing that moisture out to the sides and up, above, out from underneath the film. If you feel like your finger is not working sufficiently enough, you can use a credit card or some hard edge piece of plastic if you can squeeze it up underneath the handle. All right, so now I have the Lamin-x installed. So now I'm just going to take my towel and just gently wipe up and dry up the area. And you may have a little area that may lift up with any moisture trapped underneath there. Might kind of bend up and fold up on you. Wait for that to dry, and then you can just moisten the fingers up and then lift that area up a little bit wider and just kind of do a sweeping motion to apply it down. And you just repeat this process for the remaining doors on the vehicle. Again, you just wash and wax it when you wash and wax the car. But now the paint is protected from the fingernails. So as we get in with our door handle and we're scraping the fingernails it would actually impact the film, and that film would actually heal back up, or it actually takes the abuse better than the paint would itself. So, and there you go. It's actually as simple as that. So if you have any problems or any questions, just hit us up on live chat, send us an email, help@lamin-x.com, or give us a call. Thanks and have a great day. Take care.